So we are going to learn escape character today, guys. So escape character means we have to see that in a string, if we want to include any special character, then how can we do? So we can do using backslash. So let us just start. So suppose this is our string. So let us just give me 1 second, guys. Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So now see, this is a single quotation, guys. Okay. So if let us just first take the single quote one, then we will go to the double quote. So let us just come one by one. So if you see here, if I remove this backslash, so now if I execute this single quote, so let me choose the current file, let me just execute. So I get an error, guys. And this error is nothing but the unterminated string literal detect at line number 1. That means this special character, it is not able to understand. Hey, hi, Mukesh.
Hi, sir. Sorry, I
Yeah,
joined
so
late.
now if I remove this underscore, guys, so see, it's a nice day. We can see this. But if we are putting a special character, apostrophe and this kind of things, quotation, and now what will happen? It is generating an error. Okay, so when it is generating an error, what we have to do is that we have to use a keyword called as backslash in Python. This is called escape character, and now you can print any special characters. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt, Chanakya?
That slash where we have to give that.
Always before the special character. Suppose this is you know it's this is a special character. So just before this,
Okay.
okay. If you'll not put, you saw the error. Let me take one more example so that it becomes more clear. So let us just take guys, okay. So actually Python is not able to understand is the program is your string starting from here to here or here to here. That is the problem. That is why we put a backslash. Suppose this is he said Python is fun. Now let me just remove this backslashes. Now what is happening is this. Python is not able to understand is this your string or this is your string. So what happens that this becomes a big problem because Python is not able to understand is this string or is this string. So what will happen is that if I execute the code, I'll get the errors. And what is that error? This is invalid syntax. Why is it invalid syntax? Because we are starting here, we are ending here. But Python is not able to understand are we starting here, ending here, or we are restarting here? What is happening? So let us give a backslash here. Again we will get an error. Why? Because again Python is not able to understand. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. So let us just see. Again we'll get an error. Yes.
Yeah.
And the error is unterminated string literal because it is again not able to understand what is this one. So again you put a backslash. Now you made the Python understand that this double quotes and this double quotes, okay, this both are special characters. So now we are putting the backslash in front of the double quotes. Now you will not get the error. Are you able to understand? Yes. So let us just see what happened. It's a single quote is not defined. 1 second, guys. What happened? We have just give me 1 second. We have taken the double quotes. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So we have taken the double quotes. Yes. So let us just print this. Yeah. So what was happening is this. So if you see, uh, here what happened is that before this double quotes, we have put a backslash, and before this double quotes, again we have put the backslash, and the code was executing fine. Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Any doubt?
Yeah.
Mukesh.
No, sir.
So what is the use of backslash?
Backslash treats it as a
Escaping the
keeping
and quotes. between string,
Yes or
between the
no, guys?
main quotes.
So that means you can put any special characters in a string. If you want to put any special character, you have to use a backslash. If you don't use, then it will become a problem. Yes or
Yeah.
no, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is what is the thing, guys. So you have to always know, guys, that backslash is mandatory, guys. If you use any special character, and if you don't use any special character, then backslash is not required. But if you don't put the backslash for a special character, it will become a problem. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now let us take, guys, there's something called as new line. So this is very simple piece of code. So suppose I take here line 1 and then slash n line 2 and then column 1 slash t column 2. So this is slash t is tab spaces. It will give slash n means next line it will give. So suppose I print this multi-line, what will be the output? That line 1 and then in the next line it will come line 2. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir. Down. It will come
This
down.
the simple slash n will put into next line. Slash t will give the tabular spaces. So let us just see the tabular spaces. So just you click here, you get a tab. Tab is there in the keyboard, so which will give the tabular spaces. Any doubt, guys, in new line and tabular spaces?
No, sir.
How it will work?
Hmm?
At N and T, is it predefined?
Yes, predefined. No, slash n and slash t are predefined. It's not like a,
Hmm.
again I put here a double quotation and then it will become a problem, because if I now what will happen? Tell me. If I print this multi-line, what will happen? Tell me.
Error
And how can I remove this error?
slash.
Are you to understand the difference, guys? Yes or no? So again, why I'm getting error? There should not be any error, right?
Reverse slash.
The
Huh?
reverse slash it is. So you need to put forward slash
Backslash.
or
Okay.
the
Okay,
back.
okay. Sorry. I put the forward slash. This is the black backslash. Yes or no, guys? Let me just try. No, no,
This
no.
is forward slash, sir. Back slash is the above enter key.
One second, guys. Is this the fine? Is this the
Yes.
backslash? Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So are you understanding, guys? This simple thing. See, these are predefined, guys. If I put a, slash n, this is a predefined, right? That we have to go to the next line, okay, slash n, okay. But if I write slash t, but if I write a double quotation and all or a single quotation and all, then this backslash is required. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Any doubt here? Are you clear about slash n, slash t, and backslash? Yes or no, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Then we have some string functions, guys. These are the few of the functions, suppose string lower will convert into lowercase, string upper will convert into uppercase. So let us just see these things. So suppose this is simple, right? We convert into lowercase. So you can just print this, else we will not be able to see the output. This will convert into lowercase. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
If I want into uppercase, then I can just put, hello dot upper, and I can just see. Capitalized means first letter should be capital. The simple, okay. So suppose I take this hello world dot title. So first letter of the word will be capital. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt?
No doubt.
The simple, okay. First word letter of the word will be capital. Swap case, swap the all the characters in the string, the uppercase into lowercase and lowercase into uppercase. So this simple, here we take and then we swap the case. So this uppercase is changed into lowercase, lowercase into uppercase. This is called swap case, guys. Searching and replacing means, we have to search and replace, a particular part of the string. Suppose in the hello world, okay, I want to find the world. So what is the position of that? So I think I have told, I have already taught you indexing. So world position will be what? Suppose I go with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So this world will be 6. Any doubt here?
So first word, first time when W came, it will give that index, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You have to see the position of W, right? From there, because you have to find this word world. But this world is starting from which position? From the sixth position. How sixth position? Because the indexing of H is 0, E is 1, again 2, 3, 4, 5. The space is 5, and this W is 6. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
It will give only starting point.
Yes, only starting point, not the. How will you count? I mean, where from where it is starting? We can't give 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right?
Mhm.
So the compiler will give the first position that your word which you are finding is starting from 6, and it will give that position. It can't give like 6 to 10. Like that, the compiler will not do. Are you able to understand how to find a particular word in a particular string? Any doubt, guys?
No doubt.
So now, there is something called as index. It is also same, guys. It is like your find only. So index will also give the same thing. What is the position of a W? That is nothing but the 6. So I'll not explain much. It's same like your find only. So now let us just see, guys. So there's something called as replace. Yeah. So suppose I want to replace world with Python, then I can use the string function called as replace, and I can replace this world with Python, and this world will be replaced with Python. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
This is simple, guys. Replace means replace this world with Python. String dot is alpha, if there's a alphabetic things, then it will give the output as true, else it will give the output as false. So that is called as to check the alphabets, we use the is alpha. So see if I write here, so is it alphabets? Yes. So now if I write here one and something, then I will get a false. Are you able to understand? Is alpha means what? Chanakya, what are you understanding from is alpha?
It is used to check whether the string is in alpha.
In the string, it is alphabets or not.
Yeah,
Okay. And if it is having numeric, then what will happen?
it should show false.
False. If I remove this one, what will be the output?
It should be true.
It's very important, guys. Some of the interviews they're asking, is the check the string is having any is having only alphabets or not, or only numbers or not. So that time you can directly use is alpha, is number to check the numbers. I'll teach you number one separately. As
Yeah.
of now, if you want to check the alphabets, you can simply use is alpha, and then you can just you have to put the strings always, guys, in the beginning, and then you have to give a dot, and then you have to use the functions. The syntax should be everyone should know the clearly the syntax. I don't want any confusion in the syntax. Always use the string, dot, and then the method. Am I clear, guys? Is alpha? Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yeah, we can, but I have one question. What do we
Yeah,
call this? Is it method or function? What do we say that?
it is a
It's
method,
teaching.
right? Whenever you see a bracket, no, whenever a bracket is starting and closing, okay, it becomes a method, okay? So
Okay.
so whenever you see a method or a function and these kind of things, you just see that brackets are there or not. Almost all are same only, okay? Names will change, but you should always this should strike in your mind when you see a opening braces and closing braces. That means it's a method, it's a function. Else, if we are not mentioning that bracket starting and ending, that means it is not a method or a function. Tell me.
So this is the syntax for this. We have to give string first, dot, then method with
Yes. Yeah,
that method.
every string function, from the beginning we are seeing, no. So what we did, we taken a string dot find, we taken a string dot swap case, we taken a string dot title. Yes or no? We taken a string dot capitalize. Yes or no? Yes or
Yeah.
no? Tell me.
So these all are methods.
Methods in this string. Okay, what is upper, what is
Mm.
lower? Small methods are there, but one by one we will definitely learn. Suppose is digit. That means what? What do you think? What will be is digit?
You should tell whether it is true or false. If it is
If this string is
digital
digit,
format,
hmm.
digit format,
No, if this string is digit, what will happen? It
it
will
should
give
show
true.
true.
And if it is not, then what will happen?
False.
Suppose I write here A, what will be the output?
False.
And if I remove this A, what will be the output?
True.
Yes or no? Any doubt, guys, here?
No doubt.
Is alpha, is digit? Any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir.
So is this space, guys? What do you think? What will be is this space?
You check whether there is a space in between the string.
Yeah, is there a space in between these strings or not? So suppose this is a space. Now it will give what? True. Suppose I write here A, then what will happen? It will give false. Yes or no, guys? If I give lot of spaces, then what will happen? False only. Only and only if there is
Is
nothing
space.
here.
Only space.
Only if there is nothing here, then only it will give true. Right.
Okay, okay. Okay, well, we can check any column is having any cell is in not having any data, then we can
Yes, you can
check
use
this.
is space.
Okay.
Yes or no, guys?
Can we check is there any space in between string like that? Can we check that also?
No, for that, we have other commands, but not for here because here if I give no, suppose I give here, okay, and
Hmm.
again I give spaces, then also it will tell false only, okay. Is space is
We
something
need
no,
to
which will only and only entire this thing is having a space, okay. Then only this is there's no space. Again, it will give false only. But only and only if there's a space with the string which I'm providing, only space, there's nothing, then only it will give true. Again, I'll teach you, suppose for a table of a column, if you have to check there's a space, there's a null, there's duplicate, there's something called as PySpark, API of Python. So there we use the, PySpark commands are there. Based on that, we do the ETL automation.
hmm.
So that is separate, guys. As of now, we are learning Python. Let's focus here. So we are learning a method is space. So
Okay.
in is space, the string, we just check that only spaces are there in that string. If it is there, only spaces, then only it will give true. If there's anything, it will give what false. Any doubt, guys, here?
No.
Fine. Start with what? Hmm. That means what? We'll check the prefix, guys. Okay. Start with means what? We'll check the prefix. That means in this hello string, dot start with he means what? I mean, is it starting from he? Is it starting? If it is starting, it will give true. And if I write here e, what will be the output, guys?
False.
Because it's not starting from e, right? Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
So when it is starting from he, it will give us true. When it is not starting from he, it will give us false. Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me what is this ends with?
Suffix.
So means
Ends with monster.
Checking the suffix.
Last two characters, guys, is it allo? If it is allo, what will happen, guys? Tell me.
true.
True. Yes or no, guys? Else it will give what? False. Yes or no?
Yes.
Just give me 1 second. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So let us just see. It's true. If I write here L okay, then what will happen? It will be false. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now Python is fun and learning Python is great. Now we have to count, So what we will do is So this is a text, guys. Python is fun and learning Python is great. So you have to count this Python. So what will be the output?
It
Can
will
you think, guys?
show the count how many digits are there.
No, you have to count the occurrence.
Here, sir,
Okay.
here it will give, I think, 2.
2.
Why?
Because
It
Python
repeated
is
2 times.
starting.
Yes or no, guys? So in a string, you want to count the substring. So we have to check in this string how many times Python has come. So how many times Python has come? 2 times. So output will be what? 2. Yes or no, guys?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes or no? So we have to print that. Yes or no?
Yeah.
We don't print, we will not get any output. So this is a count method. This is a very useful method in a string. So in a string, if I want to count the substring, so I can directly use the count method. Yes or no, guys? So input is like, in a Java, there is something called as scanner. I don't know you have heard about that or not. So if we want to take some input from the user, so that is what is the in Java we use. So here it is simple input message to take input from the user. So I have written here input is a built-in function that allows a user to take the user input from the console. So it paused the programmer's execution and wait for the user to type something and press enter. The input receiver received is always returned as a string. So you can use the input method if you want to enter anything. So that is what is the input method. So we will just take an example. So suppose I go to the PyCharm. So input, what is your name? So when I execute this, I'll get a, in the console, you enter the name. Suppose I go here. So what is your name? So here you will get a blinking thing. So suppose the name is Ramesh, okay? So now what will happen? You'll get the output as print F. This is formatted string. I told you formatted string will use F and then double quotation and this particular text. And we can pass the variable. What is the variable we are passing here? Ramesh. And then this exclamatory sign. And the overall output will be what? Only this portion, hello, then this comma, the text what we have passed is Ramesh, and the exclamatory sign. So the total output is hello Ramesh. Any doubt, guys, here?
No, sir, it's a formatted string only.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you run it again?
What is your name? My name is Nitin.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
now if I
Understood.
don't use formatted string, what will happen, guys? Suppose I write like this. What will happen? What is your name? My name is suppose Virat. Virat. Yes or no, guys? Simple. To make it very clear,
Yeah.
it's a name. You have to enter your name. You given the name as Virat, you got the output as Virat. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt?
No.
Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Any doubt?
No.
Formatted string, I told you when you want to
Yes, sir.
format this string, you use that. Okay. Suppose, tell me what will be the output of here. Suppose there is a input, enter the first number, enter the second number, print the type of num1, type of num2, what will be the output? You just tell me. Here, first of all, enter the first number. I am entering as 10. Enter the second number, 10.2. So what is the type, guys? The type will be always string. Yes or no? In input. Yes or no? That is what I have told. Yes or no, guys? Tell me any doubt.
So, sir, for your input command, out the type is always string, always, no
Always
matter
a string.
whatever
If
we
you,
are giving.
yes. If you want to change, what you can use? You can use int. But I will teach you there's something called as typecasting. Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
I will
Okay.
teach you something called as typecasting. Now, if I put 10 and I put 10, so now if you see, this will be int. But there's something called as typecast because I have typecasted this string into integer. I'll teach you typecasting, guys. Yeah, tell me.
Vikram,
Uh,
in this case,
uh.
instead of 10, if we give ABC, the first number, what it will show?
See, it will give an error, okay? See here. Because you are putting a invalid number, right? This is not a invalid number, okay?
So it will not accept.
No, it will not accept because this you
Yeah.
have to enter a number and you are entering a
Yeah.
characters or a string. Then the compiler should be able to understand what are you entering, right? If you enter something which is illogical, then it will give a value invalid literal for int with a base 10. Okay. Tell me, any doubt?
Yeah, that's it.
There's something called as guys conversion. This is called as typecasting in Java, you know. When we want to convert the one data type into another, then there's something called as type conversion in Python. So type conversion in Python, it means is a process of converting one data type into another. So Python supports how many types of conversion? There is something called as implicit conversion. There's something called as explicit conversion. So implicit means by default it gets converted. If you add 10 plus 2.5, then 12.5 by default it becomes float only. See, your first integer is 10, your second integer is 2.5. You added it. What is the output? What is the output, Mukesh? Yeah, Chanakya, can you give me the output? 10 plus
Float.
2.5 is
Float.
how much?
Always.
Float.
Yeah, no, what is the output? 10 plus 2.5 is how much?
12.5.
12.5, and if you check the type of 12.5, it will be float. Yes or no, Mukesh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no,
Because
Chanakya? Yes, see.
yes, yeah.
Here you go, this is 10, this is, and then this you add this. So your output is what? First you are printing the result and you're taking this is automatically conversion. That means implicit converted. You don't have to convert it.
Yeah.
When you have to convert it, that is called as explicit conversion. That is called as typecasting. And these are the typecasting functions, guys. There's something called as int, which converts into integer. There's something called as float, which converts into float. There's something called as str method, which convert into string. There's something called as list, which convert into list, and this is tuple, which converts into tuple, set, which converts into set, this to be, which converts into dictionary, where the input is a sequence of key value pair and boolean, which converts into boolean. We will learn, guys, one by one what are these things. So these are the conversion, methods. So explicit, that is called as typecasting. Suppose this is, 10. This is an integer. You want to convert it into a string. So what you have to use? strx. Let us just see here, guys. We are converting this string into integer. We have taken x equals to 10. Now we are converting into a string. So we have written strx. So now if I'm printing this str8, now what will be the output, guys? Tell me what happened here. Can someone explain me this code? Yeah, Chanakya, are you understanding that this is a number, integer, which we are converting into string using the method called as what? str. So str, when you are passing x, that means you are passing 10. Although it is integer, but it got converted to what? String. And if you print the type of string, it will be in string. Yes or no?
Okay.
This is called type conversion. You are converting a number integer into string. Yes or no?
Yeah. Understood.
Tell me, guys, yes or no, how to
Yes,
convert a
yes,
string
understood.
into integer, how to convert an integer into string. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So this is a string. Now I want to convert into integer. What I have to do? Tell me. I will use which method? Int, and then I'll pass this string. It will be converted into integer. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Any doubt, guys, here?
No doubt.
So suppose I want to convert into float, but float will truncate the decimal part. See here. There's a float I'm converting into integer, so it will truncate the decimal part, guys. It will give only 5. There's a float part I've converted into integer, only will get the integer part. Any doubt?
Okay, it will act like a rounding down.
No round. It will directly eliminate.
It
Okay.
will-
If you round it, it should be 6, right? 5.55, 5.99 rounding will be 6, right?
No, I am telling round down, not round up.
No round down, round down. Just remember that whatever your decimal part is there, it will just remove it, truncate it. Okay. Whatever you write here, whatever decimal part you write down, okay, it will just remove it. Yes or no? And you will get as 5. Let us take a small value. Suppose I take 0.0001111. So now what will happen? We'll just truncate. Just remove the decimal part. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Because if you not remove the decimal part, will it be integer? No, it will be a float only. Yes or no? So to make an integer, there should not be any decimal part, first of all. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Else it will not be a integer. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
So list, guys, list. Again, I will tell you in detail, but let me just tell you as of now. List is like, guys, there are set of values and it can have duplicate values also. And set is something, there is again a set of values, but it is represented in curly braces and it will not accept the duplicate value. So once you convert a list into a set, what will happen is this duplicate value will be removed and there will be only 1, 3. The total output will be 1, 2, 3. Let us just see.
Okay, unique values will be
Yeah,
displayed.
unique values will come and it will convert into set, and set is represented in curly braces. Again, I will teach you. Just here understand. This is a list which is represented in square bracket. It can accept, guys, duplicate values.
Okay.
Set is something, which is represented in curly braces and it cannot accept the duplicate. So here this duplicate values is removed. So this is an interview question, guys. What is the interview question? There is a list. Please, the question is, please write a code to remove the or delete the duplicate values. So what is the output, guys? What will you do? Tell me, what is the answer? What is the code for this one? First, you will take a list, right? Suppose I take a list, okay? And then I'll put the duplicate value. Suppose I write 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now to delete the duplicate, so what I will do? I'll convert this into set. Yes or no? So what I will write C equals to, tell me, set of what? V. Now if I print this C, what will be the output, guys? Tell me.
Only one.
Only one. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
The curly bracket.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Super.
At least to tuple, tuple is represented in a square bracket. So let us just see this example to understand how can we convert a list into a tuple. So just here write tuple and then the value. So this will be represented in small brackets. Tuples are not immutable. That means we can't change the value here, guys. Again, I will teach you. But as of now, tuple is represented in small brackets and this is not changeable. So this was a list. We converted into tuple. We return tuple and then we part the value. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, guys, how we convert a list into a tuple, how we convert a list into a set? Yes or no?
Yes.
And converting input to a number, guys, can you tell me how to convert the input to a number? So this is, I told you this example also. Suppose we take an input and then we have converted this input into a integer. So we have taken as int. And then your age is, and whatever age we will enter, you are old. Suppose I write here my age is suppose 30. So what will the output is? You are 30 years old. Any doubt here?
So this is the formatted string only, no?
The formatted string, just you have to take this part, you are, and then the age, whatever you have entered. Suppose you have entered 30, and this part, year old, and this dot. That's all.
Yes.
The formatted string, again, I have taught you, right? The
Yes, sir.
formatted string syntax is what? First you write this F, then you give a double quotation, then you write your text. Yes or no? Whatever
Yeah.
you want. Suppose I am eating something. Okay, whatever I want to write. Okay, and then if I want to enter anything, what I will do? I will just anywhere you can just put a bracket. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And then you can use this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is what is the formatted string. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is what, but this portion will be taken and this value you have to enter. Then only suppose here you take a variable. Suppose I take a variable A, and then you can just put a bracket here. Okay, and then you can pass the value of A. Any value you can pass, suppose a equals to 10, 1, anything. And then if you pass this like this and then you execute, then suppose. So see the second output, guys. Don't focus on the first one. So what is happening? I am eating 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is formatted string. With this portion will come and this portion will come. Yes or no? In between a string, if you want to enter any variables, that time we will put the formatted string. Any doubt, guys?
No, no.
Hmm. So now, mutable and immutable. Mutable means which we can change. Immutable which we cannot change. Suppose list, set, dictionary are mutable, guys, and string and tuple are immutable. Always remember is st. S from S we get the name as string and T we get the name as tuple. These are guys not changeable. We can't change the values in that. We cannot insert the values in that. We cannot delete a value in that. We cannot update a value in that. That is what non-changeable, not changeable. But list on the other hand and set and dictionary, these things, are mutable. We can change the value. We can change update the values. There is a difference. So which are mutable? List, set, and dictionary, LSD. Immutable, you have to remember guys, string and tuple. How we can remember this? You can make your tricks, guys. But how I remember is, list is a small letters and set is again a small letter. Okay. So list set will be mutable only, and dictionary is, again a very, very, very big letter. So these are mutable, but these are string and tuple are immutable. You can make your tricks to remember, but this is the chart, guys. So let us learn, guys, one by one, what is list and set and dictionary. List is an ordered collection of elements enclosed in brackets. So in the bracket, you can, enter the
Yeah.
values separated by comma in an ordered way. So this is called as ordered means it should be indexed, guys. So ordered, I have written items in a list maintain their order and you can access them using the index. This is first point. And mutable means, it can be, we can add an element, remove an element, or change the element in a list. It's changeable. Heterogeneous means a single list can store different types. You can store number, you can store characters, and it can hold duplicate values. Are you clear with this 4 point, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let us check this one. This is an empty list. This is a list. Now, if I print the type of A, what will be the output? Can someone tell me?
The list, sir.
If I take type of A, what will be the output?
List.
Empty.
Yes or no? Class, and then I told you in a single quotation it will be list. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me, what is this thing?
Sorry, a minute.
Still it is list.
List only, sir.
First of all, the type is list. Then how you are getting the output? Can you tell me?
In the
Because
same order which
it's
we
identifying the square bracket and inside it has multiple types of
Yes, so I told you, right, a list is heterogeneous. You can have string also,
yeah,
and you can have decimal values also. You can have integer also. You
float
can have
integer string.
one more list also. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Is indexed. It can have duplicate values also. Yes or no? If I
Yeah.
write a duplicate value, will it give error?
No.
It can have duplicate value. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
It can have heterogeneous values. It can have a list itself inside a list. Yes or no, guys? It can have a string value. Yes or no? What is the index position of first 10, guys? This
Sorry.
is 0. This is 1,
zero.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So there are some list methods, guys. Okay, we'll try to learn. Yeah, so let us just learn, guys, list methods. 1 second, guys. My mouse is not working. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. Look, give me 1 second. My mouse is not working. Yeah, I really don't know. Let us just learn from the laptop mouse. Okay, so let us just start. Continue, guys. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
there are some methods, guys, of list. There's something called as append. Okay, append means what? We want to add a single element, to the list and to the end of the list. So how can we do that? If we want to take a single element, if we want to add in a list, so how can we do that? Just give me one second. There are some issues I am facing. Just give me one second, guys. I don't know what happened to my laptop.
I think it got heated, maybe.
Hmm?
Got heated, I think, because this kind of line.
Yeah, just give me one second. Just give me, guys, one second. Let me just correct what is the error I'm getting. Just give me one second. Uh, Let me just give me one second. So yeah, so let us start again, guys. So list method, there's something called as append when we want to add a single element in the end of the list. So what will happen? We'll use the append. So what you understand is that this is a list, and here we wanted to add 4. So what we have used is a method append, and then I have written in the bracket 4. So this is the list name, my list dot append 4. So 4 will be added in the end of the list. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt here?
Okay.
Simply we are adding an element in the list in the end. Okay. So now there's something called as another method. There's something called as insert. So suppose we want to add an element at a specific position. So suppose we want to insert the 3 at index number 2. So we can use this. Suppose we want to add at the 3 at index number 2. So index number 2 means what, guys? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So here it will come as 3 and then it will be 4. Yes or no, guys? Tell me.
Yes.
So we have to always print it, else we will not get any output.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. No, we have to just print the my list, right? We don't have to print the insert and everything. Yeah. So let me just print, guys, now the new, my list. So now
Yes.
what will happen, guys, if you see at the index number, 2, this what we are entering is 3. Yes or no? So
Yes.
what is the index position, guys, of this 0? Can someone tell me? Index position of this
0.
1. 1 is what? 0.
0,
Yeah. And this 2 is 1.
1.
And this 4 is what, guys? 2.
Yes.
Am I clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
So at this index number 2, what we are entering is 3. Yes or no? Did it got inserted? Yes or no?
Yes.
And then we are getting 4. Yes or no, guys?
Correct.
Any doubt, guys, at which index position, if I want to insert a particular value at a particular index, what is the method we will use? We'll use insert. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Extend means what, guys? So we want to extend a list to a list. Suppose one more list we want to, add in a particular list, then we will use the extend method. So this is a list, and then extend 4, 5. That means 1, 2, 3 will be extended with 4, 5. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt here in extend method? We have just added
That's
one
at
more
the end.
list.
It adds
Yes,
at the end, right?
yes, that's all. It's simple. And count the frequency of element in the list. So we'll use the count method, the occurrence of a particular element in a list. Suppose this is a list. And if we want to see the occurrence of 2, So how many times 2 is coming, guys?
Two times.
Yes or no? If I write one more 2 here, now how many times 2 is coming?
3 times.
If I write one more 2 here, then 4 times. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So if I want to get an occurrence of a element in a particular list, again an interview question for you guys, to find the occurrence of an element in a list. What is the output, guys? What we will use? We'll use which method?
Count.
Count method. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We can put it as an interview question here. I've already told you an interview question. Do you remember? What was that question? To delete the
Delete the
duplicate from
Duplicates.
an list.
list.
Yes, sir. Yes or no, guys? How we delete? By converting the list
Converted
into
into set.
Sets.
set. Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So this is simple, guys. If I want to get the length of this string, I will use the method called as length. It's very, very simple. There's a list and you have to get the length. So what is the length? Tell me what is length?
1, 2, 3,
5. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not the index position. Index position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are not in the length, we are not in the index position. In the
Yeah.
length is length. That means it will start the counting from 1. So that the
Yes.
overall length is 5. Yes or no,
Right.
guys?
Right.
So sorted means what? Suppose I want to sort the data in a list. So we will use the sort method. So suppose there's a list and I want to sort the elements in this list. What I will use? I'll use in the sort method. Print the sort method. So what will happen? It will be sorted as 1, 2, 3. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
Any doubt about the sort method in a list, guys? So this is a list. We wanted to sort the elements of this list. So we have used the sort method. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt?
No doubt.
No, sir. Sir, suppose 1 1 2 times, then how it will sort?
Suppose
1
you put the 1 1 2 times, then 1 1 will come. Then again 2 2 3 will
2.
come.
Got it, sir. Yeah.
But if I write reverse equals to true, then it will be in descending order. This is very important, guys. Suppose this is a list. If I want in descending order, I have to write reverse equals to true. Then it will come what? 3 2 1. So for that, you have to just write what, guys? Reverse equals to true. Am I clear, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Clear.
So if I want to find the index position of an element in this list, so I will use the method called as index of 2. What will be the output? What is the index of 2? First occurrence it will tell. What is the output? 1. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So returns the index of first occurrence of a specified. Suppose if I want to remove first occurrence, then what will happen is that you can use the method called as remove. So what will happen is that you have to remove this 2. So what you will do is that you can just go here in this list. I want to remove this 2. So it will remove the first occurrence of 2. So what will happen is that this 2 will be deleted. You will get the output as a 132. Yes or no, guys?
Okay.
Pop also removes the element by index, guys. Okay. So the pop method in Python is used to remove and return the element from a list. By default, it removes the last element. If the index is not specified, guys, it will remove the last element. So let us just go here and let us just understand from an example. So this is a list, guys. Okay. So from this list, I have written a pop. So by default, it will remove this 4. So let us just remove. And now you are getting the new list that is 1, 2, 3. If I write here 2, so from the index position 2, it will remove 0, 1, 2, 3 will be removed. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
1, 2, 4 you will get. Any doubt? Pop method? No doubt.
No.
So just it will remove the elements, guys. If you specify the particular index, using remove or pop, and if you don't specify, by default, it will just remove it from the last element. Yes or no, guys?
Pop always remove from last, right, sir?
Now, if you don't specify the index position, if you specify the index position, it will remove from the index. What is the index here? 2. What is the 2? 0, 1, 2. What is 2? 3,
3.
right? So 3 is
Okay.
removed or not?
Yes, yes, sir. Correct, sir.
So suppose I want to reverse a string, guys. What will happen? We'll use the method called as reverse. Suppose this is a list I want to reverse. So I have written reverse. So will it be reversed or not? Tell me yes or no. What will be the output? 3, 2, 1. Yes or no, guys?
Correct. Yeah.
Now suppose I want to change the position, of a single value in our list. So what methods we can use? Let us just see this one. This is a list, guys. So my list 1 equals 25. That means position at index position as 1, I am putting as 25. So what is that index position 1, guys? What is the value?
20.
20. So it will be replaced by what? What we are putting at
25,
index number 1?
25.
So what will be the final output?
10, 25, 30, 40.
So how can we change the value at index 1? First, we'll take that list. In the bracket, we'll write the position, that is 1, and we'll write the value. So at position 1, now the value which is getting updated is nothing but the 25. So here the value of 20 is getting updated to 25, and your final output will be 10, 25, 30, 40. Any doubt, guys?
No doubt.
So if you don't have any doubt, guys, tell me what is happening here? What will be the output here? Tell me.
10, 20, 25, 40.
That means at index number, what happened? 2, it will be replaced by 25. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now there's something called as, slicing, in a list, guys. Okay. So replace an element at index 1 and 2. Suppose I want to do the, replace at index 1 and 2. So what I have written is that I'm starting from 1. And then I'm going at position index, 1, 2, 3. That means the index at 1 and 2. So let us just go in detail because this is something we have to understand. So the index position of this one is 0, this one is 1, and this one is 2, and then this one is 3, and this one is what, guys? 4. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So in this, guys, we are slicing. Slicing, I told you already. 1, 2, 3 means what, guys? What is the index position at 1? Can you just tell me what is that value in the index position 1?
Index position 2.
2. Okay. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
So 2 is the index. Suppose I write here index position at what? At 1. The value is what, guys? 2. So it will be replaced by what, guys?
20.
20. Okay,
Sir,
now
can you repeat, sir? Sir.
see, we are putting a slicing, okay?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
for a particular list of elements, if I want to replace, So here I've written 1, 2, 3. The 1, then slicing, then 3. That means index position at 1. What is that index position 1? It is 2 or not? Yes or no,
Correct.
Mukesh?
Correct, sir.
And then this index position at 3. What is that index position at 3, guys? Tell me.
4.
So index position. Index position. We will not take 4. We will take till 3. Yes or no,
3.
guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah,
3.
yeah.
Because
So
that is
index
3
position.
is excluded, right? So 1, 2, 3 means 1 and 2 it will take.
1 to 2. Yes or no, guys? 3 will be excluded. I told you
Yes.
the last element is never taken.
Yeah.
So 1 is the starting point and ending point is 3. That means 1 to 2.
Yeah.
That means what is the position at index position 2? Tell me.
3.
Index position at 2
3.
equal to 3. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the values we are entering? Tell me.
20 and 30.
So values, what is the updation? That means at position 1, which is 2, will be replaced with what? 20, yes or no, guys?
Yeah.
And at position 2, which is 3, will be replaced by what? 30, yes or no, guys? So what will be the final output? 1 will be 1, but at index position 1, which is the value 2, will be replaced with what? 20. And at index position 2, the value is 3, and which will be replaced by 30.
Yeah.
Rest remains same, 4 and 5. Tell me, guys, any doubt here?
No.
1 to 3 means what, guys? 1 to 4 means what? Tell me. 1 to 4 means what?
Till 3.
Yeah.
Till 3. That means
1,
starting
2,
position is
3.
1. And then what will happen is that it will go what?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. That means, guys, what will happen is that. Tell me what will be
Throw
the output
error.
of. Huh?
We have to give another number,
20,
otherwise
30,
may throw
40,
error.
something.
No, suppose I don't give. Then what will happen? I have written 1 to 4. Okay. That means we'll go till the position what? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Yes or no? Yes. So now what
Yeah.
will happen is that we are putting the value. What is that value we are putting at, at index number 2? What we are putting is 20. At index number 3, we'll put as 30. And rest what will happen, guys, is 4 we are not putting anything. So it will not be shown, and then it will be 5. If I put here, guys, 60, that is fine. Then I can see this output also. 120, 30, 60. But what I was telling is that if I don't put any value, then what will happen? We are not replacing with anything. That will not come. Are you able to understand? Yes or no?
Oh.
Okay, that is eliminated then.
Yes, that is eliminated because you don't put any value. But if you put any value here, suppose you put a 90, then what will happen is that 1, 2, 3, that means one position it will be 20, and two position it will be 30, and this third position it will be 90. Yes or no, guys? The overall output will be 1, 20,
30,
30,
90.
90, and 5. Yes or no, guys? Any doubt?
No doubt.
So there is one more method, guys. Let me just finish it, this list thing. Okay. Then
Yeah.
we can go to another topic, guys, So let me just finish this last method. This is just a copy. That means this is the original list, you want to copy it. So you can get the copied list. Let us just see. So what happened? This is the original list. We have written here original list dot copy. That means copy. Print original list, original list. That means what this comma is like, guys, concatenation operator. So you can see here original list, and then you can get the particular, original list you are printing. So you're getting this original list, and here you are getting this copied list, and then comma, you have whatever you have copied that will be printed. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Any doubt? Copy method is used to copy the particular list. Yes or no, guys?
Yeah. Okay.
Any doubt, guys?
No,
So
sir.
we have learned, guys, list, and we have learned the methods of list. Tomorrow we will start the tuple set. So as of now, guys, list is enclosed in a square bracket. This is ordered. This is mutable. You can change it. This can accept heterogeneous, and it can hold, guys, duplicate values. And then we learn some of the methods, type conversion. Using this type conversion method, there is int, float, string, and list, and tuple, and set, and dictionary. And then we learn something called as escape character, input to input the value, escape character, new line character, and then we learn something, guys, string methods like count, start with, end with, is space, is alpha, is digit. All these things we have learned. And then, guys, we learned something called as new and tab, okay, slash n and slash t. We also learned escape character to put any special characters. We use the backslash. Today's session is over, guys. Okay. Tomorrow we will start, guys, tuple. Okay. And then after the tuple, guys, we will move to the next session, and that is called as the sets. And then we will move to the next session that is called as dictionary. And after I complete this, you know, list, set, dictionary, and tuple and all, then I will move to the if else and looping statement. That's all, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you for your
Thank you,
time.
sir. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.